Meet the JBL Live Flex 4. We will show you everything you need to know to get the most out of these earbuds. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the charging case, the JBL Live Flex 4 earbuds, and a quick start guide. Before you start listening, you'll need to connect the earbuds via Bluetooth. Hold the button on the back of the charging case for 2 seconds or plug the case into a power outlet for 2 seconds. Place the earbuds in the case and look for the blue LEDs blinking on each earbud. That means they're ready to pair. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device, select JBL Live Flex 4, tap to connect, and you're ready to go. And if you're out and about, a little rain won't stop you thanks to the IP54 rating. Control your music with simple taps. 1 tap to play or pause. 2 taps to skip a track. 3 taps to go back. To use the smart charging case, press the button on the back or swipe right on the screen. Then swipe through functions and tap to explore playback, volume, ambient sound, tools, and case settings right from the display. If you ever need to reset your earbuds, take them out of the charging case and place them in your ears. Tap the earbud twice and then tap and hold for 5 seconds. And if you need to restart the smart charging case, just hold the back button for 10 seconds. Connect your earbuds to the JBL Headphones App. You can download the app using the QR code in the Quick Start Guide. Once connected, open the app and go to the Smart Case settings to customize it your way. You can adjust the equalizer, control ambient sound, or customize gestures. Running low on power? Plug a USB-C cable into the charging case or charge it wirelessly. A fully charged case and earbuds gives you up to 50 hours of total playtime. Need power fast? A 10-minute charge gives you up to 4 hours of playtime. Setup done and music on. Enjoy your JBL Live Flex 4.